I have a question in regards to the course. I haven't started it yet. I just wanted to know where can I find it, or how do I go about that?
Yeah, if you can search FBA roadmap.
This is in my email. I think I heard somebody else ask about that.
Yeah, in your email.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a bunch of videos there, but really just kind of like browse through them, just understand the basics because a lot of the
Okay.
learning is going to
I
come from this trainings.
Yeah, so I watched, like, I want to say 7 to 8 of these Zoom calls from like the day one.
Nice.
Some of them like twice. Um, yeah. Um, Still waiting on the business credit card to execute. I pretty much have everything else set up. Um, keep a seller amp,
Nice.
um, or ref seller. Yeah, ref seller, seller amp, and keep a. I have all three set up. Just waiting on the credit card. Would you
Right.
mind showing us another example with the list? Also, the list that you're going off by, that's the list from your VA, or are you getting like a OA deals?
Right. So my list is for my VA, just because I'm advanced, right?
Okay.
But with you guys, it's going to be OA deals or OA beans.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's because it's ungated. That's why.
Right.
Meaning those are products that beginners can sell right away.
Okay.
Yeah, but they're all very similar though. I mean, if you look at my list, it kind of looks like this too. So yeah. So I guess my question for you is your Amazon account set up already?
Are you asking me or asking everyone?
Oh, you.
Yeah, Amazon, everything is ready to go. I'm just waiting on the business credit card.
Nice. Prep
Yeah.
center too? Prep center?
Prep center, yeah, I reached out. We're texting. I guess from the videos I've been watching, whenever I purchase products, I'll reach out to them. That way I can get the spreadsheet, and then I could start inputting that information before I send the products in, right?
Right. Yeah.
And then from there, I have to manually add the products to my store. So
Right.
those will be the two things that I do once I start purchasing products, right? It's fill out the spreadsheet and then reach out to um, the packing center.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And then from there, I mean, it's just a lot in the beginning, but once you get rolling, I mean, you're just ordering products all day.
Right.
To base it prep center and then
I've been
add.
watching. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
I'm saying, like, once you get rolling though, like all you're doing is you're ordering products daily. You're shipping it to the prep center and you're adding your products to your spreadsheet.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been watching what's his name yesterday.
Partner? Mm-hmm.
Just go through everything. He was so fast. It's it's, I mean,
That's
it's cool.
advanced, bro.
Yeah,
That's why.
I hope I can get to be that confident and knowledgeable with the skills that he has. I mean, a lot of the stuff that he says makes sense, because I guess
Yeah.
in the end of the day, the products that you pick have to make sense for you to pick to sell, right?
Right.
But he was just going so fast, and I was just like, yo,
Right. Yeah, bro. But that's 7 figures though. So
yeah,
that's
yeah,
a 7 figure level, right? So
yeah,
just know that you can get there too.
for
It's
sure.
just product research and capital. Those two.
Those two, yeah.
Product research and capital.
Yeah, the
Price of
capital,
money?
I'd say the capital is probably something that is going to slow me down a bit, but I guess it's good that
Yeah.
I'm tackling that now rather than
Yeah,
later.
bro. There's most people, bro, even me, to be honest. I'm still working on my capital. So
Yeah,
there's most people though. So
You're always going to be working on that. That's,
yeah.
for
that's
sure.
always fine.
But the good thing is you're around people who have a lot of it and they know how to get it. So I mean, you can talk to them. I mean, Shamori has 6 figures in capital,
Sheesh.
business credit. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah, for
And then
sure.
Warner is I mean, I don't know how much he has, but he did 2 million in sales in 1 year.
Mhm.
Wow.
And really, there's just product research and capital, right? That's it, bro.
Yep.
Think about
So
it. It's really simple.
is
The way I understand it from I guess everything I've researched is I've I've set up my business account and my business credit card, and so you purchase the products and you pay off that credit card, and then whatever you make back goes to your business account, and then you just double down and you scale from there, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
Well, you covered the most important part, which was paying your card off.
Yeah. Okay.
Because a lot of people just take that money, they'll buy the product. You know, as you start to sell that product, Amazon will direct deposit that money into your bank account. And some people who are not fiscally responsible, they don't go and pay that card off. They take that money and go do other stuff. Well,
Right.
you still owe on that now. So the smartest thing you can do is pay that card off. Whatever's left over is left over for you. Great, keep that. I pretend like it's not even there. Then use that card again, but pay the card off.
Yeah.
And then use it again and pay the card off. And as you keep doing that, your bank account will start to, that business bank account will start to grow because you've been making profit each time, right? So that's gonna layer on top of each other as that starts to grow, but you're gonna keep paying that card off so that you can use that card more and more. And the other bonus part of that is you start to get a lot of nice points, and you know, maybe take a trip or two, go visit Lewis out in Vegas, you know.
Okay.
Oh, he lives here though, but
Oh, well, great. Take me to go eat.
yeah, there's a lot of perks, right? It's like credit cards. So I mean,
Oh, yeah.
travel and man, it's a lot. So
Louis,
So the benefit-
you had mentioned Amex. Was it Plum, or that's one of the good Amex cards to get?
yes, because they give you 60 days, correct, bro?
Yeah.
60 days to
which
like
is
pay the card off.
fantastic, because yeah, as a charge card, you usually have one billing cycle, which is like 30 days. But the Plum card is great for business owners because it gives you 60 days to pay that bill off instead of 30. And if you're dealing with Amazon, let's say it takes you a week to get your product in, and another month to sell the product, and then you have another 2 weeks for whatever's, right? That gives you that time to pay that Plum card versus trying to rush and try to get it all done in 30 days. So,
Well, that's already 1 month right there.
right, yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. So
Yeah.
that's why the Plum card is beneficial for that.
Right.
That's-
It takes
And-
time with this business. It's like a slow, it's like a slow moving process with this.
Mm-hmm.
It takes like, 2 weeks or maybe 3 weeks to for Amazon to receive your product. And then it takes time for them to sell your product. So having 60 days is perfect, right? Because it gives you like just more room to pay off your card.
Yeah. And you would suggest probably a separate business account where only Amazon goes there? Because I wouldn't want to mix it with other business business accounts with the bank, right? When you're setting up your Amazon business account, because you're going to commingle it and, all that
Right.
stuff.
I mean, it's really up to you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you guys have multiple businesses, maybe, or maybe just put everything in one bank. I don't know how you guys do it, but
Yeah.
My understanding is it keeps you organized for your bookkeeping, right?
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. Because you're paying out bills from other business accounts. So then it's going to get real funny with the numbers and all that stuff.
right. Yeah. Well, I guess for you guys, yes, because you guys have like multiple businesses, right? So
We have multiple business accounts. Yeah. With the bank. So if we're setting up an account with Amazon that they're going to drop the money in there, then we know that's Amazon and that's it,
right.
Yeah.
Yes, but for beginners, I mean, honestly, just do your best.
Okay.
Doesn't have to be, extremely organized in the beginning. Your goal as a beginner, like I'm talking about like people, with jobs and because you're like side hustle, right? Your
Right.
goal is to make money first, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Organize everything as you move forward.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Get some action.
Yeah. But for, other people who have other businesses, then yes, you gotta be organized for sure.
Yeah.
Quick question for you, Louis. So once I start purchasing products from the product list, from OA Beans or the other
Deal.
list, Yeah, the OA deals. So either one of those two. So going through those lists and purchasing products, from what I heard is if you go through that list, you're lucky to find 1 to 2 products per day. And let's say I purchase 1 to 2 products per day every day. The fulfillment or the prep center, don't they want at least 20 to 50 items before they send it to Amazon?
Right.
Okay,
So
how
if
long?
you're right.
How long will they hold your products until you come up with
Mm.
like those 20 to 50 items?
So I'll give you a scenario, right? So if you buy one product a day, right? It's like super on the low side, and you're buying
Okay.
10 units, right? In 1 week, you're gonna have 50 units. And
Okay.
you're, at that rate, you're sending 1 box a week to Amazon. And that's amazing for beginners already.
Okay.
Does that make sense? If
Okay.
you're
Yeah.
doing 2 a day, this is the method I'm doing, right? If you're doing 2 a day, you're spending about 10K a month. You hear me?
Okay.
Yeah. It
Gotcha.
doesn't really take that much. It doesn't take a lot of products to like really scale this. Like 1 to 2 a day is really all you need as a beginner, especially. And as long as you're sending it consistently, it's just gonna scale on its own.